Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nikita Nanwni here, your educator, mentor and friend. And we've recently got the FMGE December 21 results, and we've got some amazing results from the Unacademy platform. And here we have today Dr. Sourabh Garg, who's got a very, very good score of 217 out of 300 in the FMGE December 21. And let me tell you, he's got this amazing results in the first attempt itself. So I'm sure that we have something to learn from Dr. Saurabh's story. How did he manage to get such an amazing score? What are the lessons that he learned in this journey? What advice he would like to give to the future aspirants? So let's connect with Dr. Sourabh. Hi, Dr. Sourabh, and welcome to this session.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. It's really a pleasure for me, ma'am, to be here with you on platform.
I would say same for us, and we are looking forward to learn a lot from you and from your journey. So first of all, congratulations on your amazing results.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And before we formally start with the Q&A sort of thing, I would like to ask you that who would you like to thank or give credits to for your success?
Ma'am, first of all, I would definitely like to give credits for my success to my parents and ma'am, especially my brother, Dr. Hemant Garg, ma'am. He's currently doing his internship from VSSR Burla. And ma'am, like he used to ask me questions and daily questions or something like it made me like crazy to solve the questions. And ma'am, especially you also, ma'am, because your classes, your short 150, your NF100 series, it's like great, ma'am. Like no one can replace you, ma'am. Really, I'm saying it by heart, really.
Thank you so much. That is what I would like to tell the viewers. This is nothing that we have, pre-decided. Please thank me as well. This is coming straight from his heart, whatever it is.
Every student know, ma'am, who have watched your classes, actually, they know, like, this is the final point. Like, everyone knows.
Yeah, thank you so much. I am glad, humbled, and grateful to have been able to contribute to your journey and to the journey of many other students. So, Dr. Sourabh, could you tell us about your preparation phase? I mean, how did you plan your days? I mean, you've cracked in first attempt itself, which itself is a great feat. So, when did you start? When did you think of starting to prepare for FMG? And, starting itself is so difficult for many of our, goals. So how did you decide to start? How did you plan your day? How many months did you actually prepare? If you could throw some light on that.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, since my third year, I was like, I was thinking like I should prepare now. Like, ma'am, like if I tell you like, let's make it an honest interview, ma'am, definitely for the students. Yeah, actually, initially I was using when I had nothing, I knew nothing about any platform. I was using Dr. Najib lectures because I had one thing in my mind, like I should grab the knowledge. Either it can be from the books, either it can be from YouTube, either it can be from anywhere. Yeah, ma'am, but that was not actually in the right direction, because if I'm preparing for my USMLE, then I'll have to go for Kaplan. There's no other way. And if I'm preparing for my FMG, I'll have to go with the educators here. So then I came to know, yeah, ma'am, and then I came to know about the Unacademy and other platforms, and then I started the preparation in that way. Yeah, ma'am, but there also, ma'am, like I was studying like sometimes from third year, fourth year. But the actual preparation, I would say, like it was after coming here in India only this year, after the July. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so I mean, the final preparation was in this last 6 months or so, where you put your all heart, soul, and brains into, and you finally cracked it. So during the preparation, I am pretty sure there must have been some phases of self-doubt, and where you must have got that feeling ki jo pad rahe hain, sab bhul rahe hain, not remembering anything. How did you try to overcome that?
Ma'am, actually, when I was, when I was having this feeling like I'm forgetting everything, there was a notification on my mobile, like Dr. Nikita Nanwani's class is live. So I didn't want to see the class. I just entered the class and I asked a question from you, ma'am. I am forgetting everything. And you replied me like, Sourabh, it's fine for everyone. Yes, ma'am, because I was giving the Unacademy tests also, and I was getting like 160, 170, 180 marks in that out of 300. And so I asked you also. And then you said like Saurabh, it's okay. It would be all fine. I am 100% sure you don't remember because there are so many kids who ask this question. But then that gave me a satisfied feeling like, okay, it's fine, because I was getting a decent rank in these marks, and then you made my confidence level like at another level. So I thought like, okay, it's fine. When Dr. Nikita is saying this, then it would be happening with
I am
everyone.
myself so surprised to hear this. We had
Yeah,
a
I just
conversation
entered
like,
the class randomly and I just asked this question, ma'am, I'm getting this mark, and you really replied, and very well replied. Like, it happens with everyone. It just boosts my confidence. Like, you're getting decent marks, 160, 170. Yeah, ma'am. That
okay,
was fine for me.
that's pretty awesome. So next time I'll definitely, try remember whatever I say in my class to whomever I say, so that next time when I feature an interview.
Even today, ma'am, in your KBMD live classes, I was in the top 3. Yeah, I did the, yeah, in the first 2 or 3 questions, and then I had to leave. Yeah,
Acha,
you also mentioned my name again there. Yeah,
that's super awesome, man. That's super awesome. So I'm glad to
yeah,
know that our live classes do make a lot of difference and they make a lot of
yeah,
impact,
ma'am,
not only
definitely.
academically, but overall on the mindset as well. So
Yeah,
I'm
ma'am.
pretty proud to know that. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And what are the lessons that you have learned from your preparation? Let's say a mistake that you think you could have done this better, or you should have not done this. Anything that you would like to share?
Ma'am, like, yeah, definitely, like for my juniors I would definitely advise like go in a right way. Like, first you should watch the previous year videos or previous year papers. Like, then you will have an idea like how to go for this exam. Because even if I'm reading like anatomy, it doesn't matter. I will not be able to remember everything. Like, even I can read it 100 times, everyone forgets, because we all are humans, we have some capacities. So definitely we should prepare in such a way. And ma'am, like, there is a saying in IAS, like, your journey to become an IAS doesn't start from Labasna, it starts from Mukherjee Nagar. So it's same like this. Like, we have to start our journey earlier to get overcome all the difficulties which we have to face, like suppose later. So if you are a younger or junior, like in first or second year, you should definitely start your preparation now. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
And do
I mean
solve
that
the
exactly.
questions. Yeah, I'm to solve the questions, the MCQ banks and the test. I was giving test like on platforms, like on all the platforms, I would say, and it really made a difference, ma'am. Yeah, don't see like I'm getting this rank or that rank. Try to learn from them. And ma'am, you also mentioned this, I think, in all the classes, solve the MCQs, and that's why you are running like NF100 and your KBMD live classes. Like, because ma'am, that one question actually 5 concepts, if that's having 5. And ma'am, your questions, like, that tells about the 100 concepts, even one question. So that's why I used to prepare your classes, ma'am.
Yeah, because exactly that is how even I had prepared whatever question I used to solve. I
Yeah,
used to read about that topic in toto.
yeah, ma'am.
So that is what I try to do in my classes as well. I deliver exactly what I had done during my preparation. And like you said, I would totally agree that please start with the previous year questions. That gives you a direction, that gives you an orientation to what are the important topics, what are the most probable
Yeah,
topics that can come in the exam. I totally agree to that, with you. So
yeah, ma'am.
in the examination hall, how did you work on your time management? Because we have many students who would struggle a lot with the time management. How did you, did you have any plans? 1 hour, I'll finish so many questions, or what exactly did you do to manage the time?
No, ma'am. Actually, I had practiced that much. Like, I was able to finish, like in part 1, I was able to finish 138 questions out of 150, and then I had the time again to watch every question again. Yeah, ma'am. And it all happened just because I had solved so many questions. Only because of that. Yeah, ma'am. On in the test, like, try to give test on Academy. Like, ma'am, they take tests on time. Like, whenever you are free, you can take the tests. There are like every time, every second, there is running quizzes, everything. Like, anyone can join the any classes. So, ma'am, that's really actually helpful. And there is no need for any specific strategy for the questions, I think, because just like, try to solve the questions at home, and then you will feel like just you have given another GT, and even the easy GT than you used to give at home. Yeah, ma'am. So I was like confident I would get around 200 or something, just because I had practiced a lot.
So
Yeah,
I think what I learned from your journey is basically MCQ practice is very, very important to crack FMG exam.
yeah, ma'am. 100%, ma'am. 100%.
Okay, well, I mean, I again on that, I totally agree. Just reading notes, watching the video lectures, and not practicing MCQs will not give us good score, be it FMG, be it NEET PG, be it INICT. It's
Yeah, ma'am.
very important to practice the MCQs on a daily basis. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
And how was your, part A? Like in FMG, you have this part A and part B, then you have a break, and majority of the students, they keep thinking if the part A did not go good, did it happen with you, or you were pretty confident the part A was very good, I don't need to worry?
Ma'am, I was actually pretty confident because like when I came out of the of my room, then I said my parents like I think I would score around 100 in this. And then when I saw the students around me, they were saying like it was very hard. Then I was like a little nervous, even like am I being so uh, like
Overconfident or something?
yeah, am I being so overconfident or what? Like, but I was thinking like I should get at least 100 in this. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, like
Oh,
your NF100 series, I would, like I can't mention a 5-star or 10-star. Like it was looking like you made the paper or something. Uh,
thank you so much. So let us tell the viewers what NF100 is. NF100 is Dr. Nikita's FMG top 100 topics. Those are there on the YouTube channel of Unacademy, on the Unacademy app as well. There are some sessions. And they are the core topics that make your preparation, the core preparation, be it for FMG or be it for NEET PG or INICT also. So every student, not only FMG student, should and must watch those sessions, because we both of us believe that they will definitely help you in your preparation. They are full of concepts and mnemonics predominantly. So they simplify a lot of
Mnemonic queen,
topics.
ma'am. You are actually mnemonic queen, really.
So, I actually have been very passionate about making mnemonics that maintains
Yeah,
my
ma'am. And
creativity.
ma'am, when I heard about your rank, and ma'am, definitely, ma'am, I would also mention you as a mnemonic queen, as every other medical student says, because you really make the mnemonics like today only. I heard this first time, but like buy at 30 and sell at 50. So I have like it has imprinted in my mind like aminoglycosides and tetracyclines. It uses 30s really. So that's really great, ma'am. No one can be comparable as you.
Thank you so much for that. I think let's not make the interview just about me. Otherwise, it would be like that's why we are having this interview. But
You
let's also talk about the
can ask about. Yeah.
what
Okay, ma'am.
tips you would like to give to the juniors. Some lessons. Maybe if I ask you, what are the mistakes that they should avoid? One you said is not doing MCQ practice. What are
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
other tips that you would like to give?
Ma'am, actually, try to grab the knowledge from any other places you can have, because finally we have to be in the field. We have to treat the patients. We have to treat the humans, and we cannot be like just lagging of the knowledge, and we cannot just try to be a good doctor. We have to be a good doctor because it is not like it is our duty to be a good doctor to serve the society. So just try to have the knowledge from anywhere you can get, especially like you can like from the Unacademy we can definitely get that, and even from like anywhere from YouTube or some other anything. Yeah, ma'am. And solve the questions, and definitely revision, ma'am. This is the like one of the most important point, but this is one of the like uh, like every topper also mentions like we should revise, but when it actually comes to revision, we don't revise, or we say like okay fine, I'll do it tomorrow, or okay I'll do it after Sunday or Monday. But we shouldn't do that, ma'am. Actually, like when we are preparing for the last 6 months, we should revise everything. Even if you are preparing one or two less subjects, uh, it actually doesn't hurt you more. But when you are preparing 19 subjects and you have not prepared any subject well, that would definitely hurt you like so badly.
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
absolutely. So even I advocate a lot about like daily revision. Have some time
Yeah, ma'am.
slot fixed for daily revision, even if you're not able to complete the daily target, but focus on revision. We tend to neglect it
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
most, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. So, where have you done your MBBS from?
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. I have done my MBBS from Kharkiv University in Ukraine, ma'am.
Okay, amazing. So, any tips for the students doing MBBS abroad?
Uh, yeah, ma'am. When you're doing it from abroad, everyone knows everyone has a lower image for FMGs as compared to the Indian medical graduates. But we have to change this mental thinking. Yeah, ma'am. And it is actually changing because you see, from 2023, we are having next, and everyone will have to be giving this exam. Either you are preparing from government, from private, or from foreign. Yeah, ma'am. But when you are there, there are so many in your relations or anyone, like they will say, like, we know, like, students don't study there, and we have to change their mental settings. And ma'am, when we come at this age, we ourselves knows, like, we have to be the financially independent. And ma'am, I don't think there should be much more motivation other than this to keep involving ourselves in the study, because we have to be financially independent. We have so many other goals to achieve. We have not to just including in the FMG only. We have so many other goals, so it's better you start early so you can finish early and you can enjoy or start your journey early.
Absolutely. Now that you mentioned about next 2023, I think everyone, even the FMG students, need to start preparing from the first year itself. So maybe they can
Yeah, ma'am.
start watching the video lectures, the Unacademy live lectures. They can help them a lot right from their first year itself. So, any other educators from the Unacademy platform that you would like to thank contributed to your journey?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, Dr. Preeti Sharma, ma'am. Her microbiology and pathology, that is actually amazing. Yeah, ma'am. Also about Dr. Great, ma'am. It was a very good for revision. When you have studied it earlier, it is very great for revision. Ma'am, other educators on Unacademy, ma'am, I would especially like to thank Dr. Preeti Sharma. She was having the microbiology and pathology classes pro, and ma'am, Dr. Janvi, ma'am, she was having the medicine division classes. Dr. Shan Mugapriya, she was having the biochemistry classes. Ma'am, they are all really great. And ma'am, Dr. Zainab, she is also, ma'am, inspiration for me like you, because I also have a dream branch of radiology. I don't know will I get it or not, but that's why I it's more like you and Dr. Zainab.
I,
Like
I,
I
I'm glad to know that you want to pursue radiology, and I sincerely hope and pray that you get into radiology. And I'm pretty sure with the hard work and the sincerity that you have, you are definitely
yeah,
going to get there. And I will be very soon hearing from you getting into radiology, Saurabh.
yeah, ma'am, definitely after 1 year
Yes,
I'll try my best. Yeah, ma'am, to
definitely.
have it
Best
again with
wishes for
you.
that. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
on the leaving note, Saurabh, do you have any favorite quote? We all have done that favorite quote which motivates us whenever we feel low. Any favorite quote, any last minute tip, or in the end of the interview that you would like to share?
Yeah, ma'am, I have one very favorite quote, and ma'am, it actually implies also, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a very one favorite quote. It's your body can withstand almost everything. It's your mind that you have to convince. And when you have your goals, your actions would be again in that direction only. And then you will not be needing the motivation from outside when you have it from inside. So I would only like to say mention this in the
That
last.
is super awesome, something very, very inspiring, and which got me goosebumps as well listening to it. That actually, yes, it's the mindset which is the most important thing, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Dr. Saurabh, for being here, taking up time to share your tips, the lessons, and the inspiration that you have given to all of us. We wish you, from the entire team of Unacademy, wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. And we are
Thank you
waiting
so
to
much,
hear
ma'am.
from you again with your dream branch radiology next year.
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Sourabh. Thank you so much to all the viewers as well for watching this one, and I hope we have given you some insights into your FMG preparation. Thank you so much.